Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Sleeping Dogs game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the store page. From here, click on the search button and then type in Sleeping Dogs and start your search. Once you find the Sleeping Dogs game, click on it, and you might need to enter your date of birth to confirm your age. After proceeding forward, you will be taken into the games page, where you can check out the game's reviews. Just scroll down from this page and you will find the Add to Cart button. Click on this button and this will now be added to your cart. You can click on the View My Cart button to continue forward to your payment. If you haven't already selected a payment method, you can choose one from the payment method window. After choosing your method, continue forward and you might need to enter your payment credentials. For example, if you have chosen PayPal, just enter your PayPal email address and password and log into your PayPal account. After logging in, you can finalize your payment and the game will be added to your library, from which you can click the install button and choose your installation directory to begin the download and installation of the game. And once it is installed, a shortcut will be created on your desktop and you can now start enjoying the game on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Sleeping Dogs game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to be up to date on more useful videos. And I'll see you again in the next one.